Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Now, in regards to this background, you'd have to come from a file. So let's say you're familiar with Canva or Pixabay. They have background information and all kinds of stock stuff that's free. And you can go there and you can pull that stuff into your file. And then from the file, you can browse. If I had that information here, I could just pull that in. It could be a background. Whether you really want a background, it may be a distraction because we're so used to looking at a rather boring looking Excel format. We expect it to be grid lines, white, with columns and rows. Throwing in maybe a blue color or blue background or a green background probably would be a distraction. You might like it, but maybe your colleagues won't. If your boss says, give me a background, then now you know how to do this. If you need a background, as I said, Canva and Pixabay and a whole bunch of others have this stuff available for free or at a very low cost. Brad Williams, XL Prime.